interesting problem for you all, a nice radical one. Here we have under the root of 70 times 71 times 72 times 73 plus 1. And how do we solve this? Without using a calculator, of course. So here, what we are going to do here is, what do I have here? I'm just going to write it like this. Under the root of 70, I'm going to write it like that. 71 can be written as 70 plus 1. 72 can be written as 70 plus 2. And 73 can be written as 70 plus 3. And then you have plus 1. I'll just write that out. Okay. Next, what I can do is, as you can see, it is in such chronological order. I'm just going to assume something, that let x is equal to 70. Okay, I'm going to replace all the 70s with x. Under the root of x times, I have x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 plus 1. Without x, maths is incomplete. You agree, right? Some or the other x comes into the picture, x and y. And okay, under the root of, we've got something like this, and we have to solve for that. Now let us solve for the inside part. What we have, the x terms, let me just take, then later on I'll put it back in that. I have this x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. I'm going to solve for this part first. So let's just multiply x times x plus 3 and x plus 1 times x plus 2. Okay, so what do I have? X times x plus 3, and then I have x plus 1 times x plus 2. Just rearranging the terms. Now I'll multiply this part and this part. So here I have x squared plus 3x. Okay, this part. And what about this part? I have x squared plus 2x plus 1x plus 2. And then what do we have? Let me write this down. X squared plus 3x. Then I have x squared plus 3x plus 2. Easy. Okay, now we're gonna assume one more thing. Okay, let, you can see this part and this part is common in both, so I'm gonna assume that that's equal to y. Let y is equal to x squared plus 3x. Again, right? Now that will become easy, you don't worry. Y times y plus 2. Now it became like this. Multiplying them, y squared plus 2y. What is our y? What did we assume here? Y is x squared plus 3x, isn't it? So, but that, this y is also equal to x times x plus 1 plus times x plus 2 times x plus 3. That is equal to your y squared plus 2y, because you got the solution after you solved all this, right? So we're gonna equate that to y squared plus 2y. Let's just write that down. X times x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to this thing, y squared plus 2y. Is that right? Yes? Okay. Now what we're gonna do here is, now this part, when we solved, we got y squared plus 2y. That's what I've written. Now what was that? This part was under the root and you had plus 1. So I'm going to write that back. This I'm going to put it under the root. Under the root. What did I get? Y squared plus 2y in place of this. Y squared plus 2y, and then you had plus 1. Okay. So now this is what? Y squared plus 2y plus 1, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, a plus b the whole square. So you get y plus 1 the whole squared. Root and square gets cancelled. You have y plus 1 as the answer. What is your y? X squared plus 3x from here. Let me just put it back. Okay. X squared plus 3x plus 1. So that, what's x? 70. Let us put it back. 70 squared plus 3 times 70 plus 1. So what's this? 70 squared is 4900. 3 times 70, 210. And you have 1. Add them all together. 1, 1, 1. That's your answer. 5111. I hope you enjoyed this question. Lovely question. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Bye bye. Take care.